In this video, I will show you how to crochet iPhone pocket. Create a slip knot. And then crochet a chain. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4. After you get 102 chains, now we will crochet half double crochet slip stitch, yarn over, and then insert into the second chain from hook, and then pull all through, yarn over, insert, and then pull all through 2 loops. Keep continuing this process until the end of the row. Now I get at the end of the row 1, and then the row 2, chain 1, turn the work, and then crochet half double crochet slip stitch in the back loop, yarn over, insert in the back loop, and then pull through 2 loops. Keep continuing this process until the end of the row 2. Now I am at the end of the row 2, and for the row 3, chain 1, and then turn the work. Repeat from the row 2 process, half double crochet slip stitch in the back loop only. Keep continuing. Now I am at the end of the row 3, and here how it looks like. Next, for the row 4, keep repeating from the row 3 process. Half double crochet slip stitch in the back loop only. We keep continuing this process until to your desired length, or the row 7 for my pattern. Now I complete all 7 rows, and here The row 8, I already crochet 42 half double crochet stitches. Next, I will crochet the chain. For this one, I crochet the chain 50. And then I will crochet 9 half double crochet slip stitch. Now I get 50 chains, and then I will crochet 9 half double crochet slip stitches. The row 8 complete, and then we will crochet the row 9, chain 1. Turn the work and keep repeating the process of half double crochet slip stitch in the back loop only. Here, after you get 9 half double crochet slip stitches, and then on the chain, we will crochet in the back loop on the chain. So you can see here, the little spot at the back loop on the chain. So continue doing this until you get 50 half double crochet slip stitch. Please count to make sure you get the right number. Now I got 50 stitches, and now we will crochet 42 stitches. So the total stitch is 101 stitches. Here we need to repeat until you get the row 15 or to your desired length. Now I get total 15 rows, and then I measure. Simply cut the yarn and then fasten off. We will make this for 2 pieces. Now we get 2 pieces. This is the first row. This is the end of the row. So the first one, and at the end, 2 another pieces. So insert into the first loop. Grab the yarn and then pull through. Insert into another loop. Yarn over, pull all through. And then now we will move the loop to another stitch. So keep repeating this process all the way across. So this is finished look. This is very nice that you can't see the assemble. It looks completely invisible. Now we need to leave the yarn for sewing later. So here we will fold inside out and then assemble the same process that I have shown you. have finished with the pocket. It's very easy and fast to make, and also very flexible and stretching. So here I have many pattern, many style of the pocket. If you like to do it, the link I will put in the description below.